What are the prosecutorial methods used in an assault case in Utah? Attorney Court Koehler says, one of the things about assault is it's one of the hardest crimes for them to prove. They have a lot of problems with it because it depends on witnesses. Especially in domestic violence cases, you see a lot of times a witness complains about an assault, and then a person will get charged with an assault, and then the case hinges on the victim's testimony. The victim then refuses to testify. Let's say you're defending someone where the victim has decided that they're not going to testify for whatever reason. Maybe they feel like they overreacted. For whatever reason, they're going to not testify now. The prosecution doesn't have a case, and they tend to get upset about that. They may look into witness tampering charges. They may attempt to subpoena the witness and make them testify. A lot of times, you'll have victims that then need to get legal representation to assert their privileges against testifying against their spouse or things like that. It all hinges on the witness and the victim as a witness. Where the witness and the victim report an assault and then decide later they're not going to go through with it. Maybe it's as simple as they don't want to go to court that day and testify, or they're embarrassed, or they feel like they lied, or they're going to get grilled on the witness stand, or something like that. For whatever reason, they don't want to testify. That's where the battle lies for prosecutors. Basically, if they can't get a witness to testify, they're not going to have a case. Yeah, you see a lot of issues with witnesses and trying to get them to court. If they have privileges against testifying against a spouse, for instance, you'll see a lot of fights over whether they have to or not. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Court Koehler in Salt Lake City, Utah at 801-441-2013 or visit him on the web at www.saltlakeduidefense.com.